All right, team, what's going on? Thank you so much for clicking this video. This video is strictly about our Discord server. Welcome to GAR Capital. My name is Carlos Garcia. I'm the founder and CEO of GAR Capital. Thank you so much for joining our team and joining our service and our server. So if you're watching this video, this will be posted on the Discord server as well as on YouTube, so everyone can see exactly what we're about. So you can see this is our full Discord server, multiple channels. We're going to go over each one together. If you are just starting out, I fully recommend you start from the Start Here tab all the way down. So your channels may look a little different than mine currently, depending on what plan you have. If you are a free plan member, you'll have access to the GAR News Network, the Trophy Room, breaking headlines, GAR articles, GAR YouTube, GAR X feed, and GAR library. So there is a couple of things there that are free for everyone, and then there are some that are paid. So we're going to go from top to bottom and go over each. So again, I recommend starting with Start Here, Welcome Now. We have our disclaimers here. Also, heads up, we will never DM you first. If you are interested in being my friend, feel free to add me on Discord. Here's my name, CEO GAR Capital, all one word with the correct spelling. Now make sure you have the right one. If you are not sure, please go to our Welcome Here button. On the first message there, feel free to click my name. Feel free to add me as a friend. Feel free to DM me first, but I will never do any outbound DMs asking you for any of your information, brokerage account information, crypto, copy trading, none of that. Not interested. Not interested in managing your money either. Again, if you are interested in our services, we have our email, garcapital@gmail.com. We also have ways to open trouble tickets or service tickets if need be. And you can always, again, DM me directly here on the server. All right, so we move over to rules of service. There's a couple of rules out there. We always want everyone to be respectful of each other. Some things go without saying, but that's why we got to have the rules. FAQs, tons of stuff there. Let the runners run. Futures FAQs, trading guidelines FAQs, also important stuff. A couple of stuff to understand and kind of lingo out there, some terminology as well. Feel free to go over that. And again, just reminders that we will never DM you first. And there is some bots out there that is not me. For example, see that period right at the end of CEO GAR Capital? That is not me. That is fake. Make sure to be vigilant. Access upgrade. If you are interested in upgrading to any of our other services or pricing, feel free to click this button. Resources and links, regards for brokers and trading and software. Announcements. We put our announcements here of all of our services and any kind of deals we have running. Feel free to take a look at that. Daily reminders. Every day we will remind you at 9 a.m. regarding do not do not accept any DMs from anyone claiming to be us. We will never DM or friend request you, including me. Sorry, I was missing. Don't miss a market move. Anyways, moving forward. Entrepreneurship. Couple of buttons run by Kevin, one of our staff members here at GAR Capital VPs. Business funding and real estate deals. If you are interested, feel free to take a look at those channels. Options signals. This is for our options members. All of our signals are sent here. These are the closing signals. These are the open signals. These are the recaps. Daily will all be on the options signals. Future signals, very similar. All the signals will be up here. All the explanations, all the breakdowns will be on the future signals channel. But all the breakdowns will not be on the option signals channel. We'll go over that here in a second. Option signals channel, after we send a signal, just a heads up, let's say, for example, we sent out the NVIDIA 185 calls at 167. Once it got to 30%, we took that W, we put the price up, or the actual screenshot. You could see it right there, 30%. And the reason we broke down, or we went ahead and traded this, you go to watches and charts. Every single week on Sunday, I post our watch list of the stocks we're looking for. And any trade that we do send out will be broken down under watches and charts. So you know exactly why we're getting into a trade, not we're just throwing stuff on a wall. Make sense? Masterclass only trades. This is just for our Masterclass one-on-one students. These trades are a little riskier. For example, I had Palantir puts last week. Palantir was at all-time highs just this past week as well. It did hit, obviously. It did hit as high as 151%. But again, these are higher risk trades. So again, only for our Masterclass students. This includes some futures, but mostly option signals. Stock price ratings are posted here as well. Different stocks we were watching throughout the year, throughout the time that we're here. Investment club alerts. Anything that we're looking at in terms of buying the stock, buying shares for long term, this is the place to look at. Forex alerts. Anytime we trade Forex, it's been a while. But again, if anyone has any kind of requests to trade Forex, I'll be more than happy to accommodate them. GAR News Network. This is the free breaking market moving news channel where we post things that we're watching. Also some news when it breaks out. We'll go ahead and give you information here as we go. Most of it's just prep work, but throughout the day we post information that is very key to the stock market. For example, CPI, non-farm jobs, payroll, headlines regarding Powell and such. Watch this in charts. We just went over exactly the breakdowns of the trades that we're looking into getting, plus our watches for every week are here. Trophy room, my favorite room, personally, where all of our students and members post their gains and how well they've done. This is meant to inspire those out there. Again, this channel is your channel, our members. Show off, brag, be happy. Money is made. Very proud of everyone. My favorite place, my favorite channel on the server. Pre-market plan. Every single day, we'll get a pre-market plan here on this channel. GAR free trades, it's been a minute. Haven't done any, but we will make sure to throw some out there. Breaking news headlines. This is direct from Financial Juice. So again, directly into this server here. This is free for everybody. Earnings calendar. This is all posts of the things or the stocks that we're watching for the upcoming week, plus the weekly economic calendars. We also post that on GAR News Network as well. Our articles that we post, I think we post maybe like 3 or 4 a week. Again, feel free to take a look at our library of analysis and articles. GAR YouTube every single week. I talk about the market, recap it as well. All of our clips are here as well. Make sure to take a look at GAR YouTube. And if you're not a subscriber yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button. GAR X feed, I still call it Twitter. Yes, I know. But this is where all the tweets from GAR Capital are located. GAR Library, this is probably one of my other favorite ones. This is all of our courses, videos, all the resources, old videos. Also have some references in regards to certain terminologies that people need a little bit of a catching up on. GAR Library has it all. It's definitely a time saver for those who are maybe have some time throughout their weekend and want to get a brush up on some options trading lingo or maybe some technical analysis. Feel free to take a look at GAR Library. It is for all. GAR Live Trading Radio. This is the radio feed or where I speak, kind of like similar to this, but this is a chat room. So I'll click here just to show everybody. And it's muted now, and you could see where everyone asks questions. This is at 8:45 in the morning every single morning. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect before our members think I'm doing a live session. Market Watch. This is my personal blog. This is my play-by-play. I'm probably on this channel the most. This is only for our members that are paid members. This is where I talk about specific things that I'm watching in the market because it's kind of the intel. If you're someone that kind of thinks about, I want to trade right next to Carlos, sit next to him in a sense, figuratively speaking, this is probably the closest you're going to get. Market Watch. Everything that I'm watching is there. GAR Options Chat for all of our members that are on the options signals. This is up for everybody. Masterclass chat as well. GAR Futures chat for those who trade futures, of course. GAR Wealth Building is a pilot channel that we're working on for our Masterclass students regarding call selling. I will open it up to the rest of our Masterclass students as we get through it. Forex chat, again, we haven't been in there in a while, but if you are interested in any kind of Forex trades, feel free to tag me on the chat. Crypto chat as well. Again, I can't say I'm on this one too much, but it is there for any kind of crypto questions. GAR Investment Club, again, same as the GAR Investment Club alerts. This is regarding long-term buy and hold, maybe swing trading or such. GAR Gaming channel, GAR Sports Chat. That's pretty much it. So tons of channels, tons of things to read and do there on the server. Again, a one-stop shop for all your day trading needs and learning needs. This is the place to be. GAR Capital's Discord server. Thank you so much for being here. We'll get this posted on the server right away. And again, if you ever need a refresher on exactly what to do and what to look for on the server, this video will be available for you. Have a great rest of your time here. I really do appreciate it. And we're always hoping to bring extra and added value to you, the trader. Thank you so much for being part of GAR Capital. It's very humbling that you care so much about being here. It means the world to me. Thank you again. We will speak to you soon. Cheers.